Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Με λένε Στάλο. Today we are going to talk about two Greek verbs that can be a little confusing to students of Greek. The two verbs are ΔΟΚΙΜΑΖΩ and ΠΡΟΣΠΑΘΩ. They can be confusing because they are both translated into English as to try. Let's look at ΔΟΚΙΜΑΖΩ first. The verb ΔΟΚΙΜΑΖΩ can be followed by a noun, but it can also be followed by the particle να. For example, μπορώ να δοκιμάσω το παγωτό? Here we have a noun. Can I try the ice cream? Δοκίμασε αυτό το κρασί. Here again we have a noun. Try this wine. When the verb ΔΟΚΙΜΑΖΩ is followed by food or drink, it has the meaning of to taste something, to sample something. But it can also be used in numerous other occasions where you may want to try, to test things. Μου αρέσει να δοκιμάζω καινούρια πράγματα. I like to try new things. With clothes, shoes, glasses, etc., the verb δοκιμάζω has the meaning of to try on. Πάντα δοκιμάζω τα ρούχα πριν τα αγοράσω. I always try on the clothes before I buy them. Πού μπορώ να δοκιμάσω το φόρεμα? Where can I try on the dress? Το δοκιμαστήριο είναι εκεί. The fitting room is over there. As you can see, the word δοκιμαστήριο comes from the same root as δοκιμάζω. Δοκίμασε να πίνεις περισσότερο νερό. Try to drink more water. Here δοκιμάζω has the meaning of trying something new, testing something new to see if you like it. Θα δοκιμάσει να τρώει νωρίς. He will try to eat early. He will test to see how it is to eat early. The verb προσπαθώ takes the particle να. Προσπαθώ να. Προσπαθώ plus a noun doesn't exist. No. We cannot use a noun after the verb προσπαθώ. We can only use the particle να. Προσπαθώ να μάθω ελληνικά. I'm trying to learn Greek. Προσπαθώ να περπατώ περισσότερο. I try to walk more. Προσπαθώ means I make an effort. I'm not testing a new thing anymore. I put a lot of energy and effort to achieve my goal. Κλείσε το παράθυρο. Close the window. Προσπαθώ. I'm trying. Sometimes the two verbs may look similar, but there is always a subtle difference. Let's look at two examples. Δοκίμασα να λύσω το πρόβλημα. I tried to solve the problem. Προσπάθησα να λύσω το πρόβλημα. I tried to solve the problem. Now the difference is that δοκίμασα να λύσω το πρόβλημα means I tried maybe once or twice. I didn't really put a lot of effort. I just gave it a try. While προσπάθησα να λύσω το πρόβλημα means I put all my energy and all my effort in order to achieve my goal, in order to solve the problem. Προσπάθησα means I tried many times, not just once or twice. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.